Hi everyone, welcome back to Lou's Handicrafts. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful flower with bead in the center. It is quite easy and simple to make, so I hope we will have a lot of fun together. Alright, so to begin we will require a 3mm crochet hook, the smaller the better. Also, we will take the yarn of our choice. For now, I'm using this turquoise color. And then make a slip knot and chain it in the multiple of 4. The longer the chain, the bigger will be the flower. So I'm gonna chain up to 60 plus 3 chain at the end. So this is 61 chain, 62 and 63. And now we will leave the first chain, second chain, and into the third chain we will make one single crochet. So one single crochet and then chain up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we are going to leave 1, 2, 3 stitch, and into the fourth make one single crochet. Chain up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave 3 stitch, 1, 2, 3, and into the fourth make one single crochet. Chain up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave 3 stitch, 1, 2, 3, and into the fourth one single crochet. We will repeat this throughout. So chain up 4, 1, 2, 3, and into the fourth chain we will make one single crochet. So we will do this all across. At the end of the round, you will see that we are left with 5 chain. So as usual, we will chain up 4 and one single crochet into the fourth chain. And then we will just put one single crochet into the last chain to smoothen it out. One single crochet, chain 1, and turn the work. And so far this is how long we have made our chain. Now we will put one single crochet into the chain 4 space, one single crochet, and then one double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 double crochet. Then we are going to put one more single crochet into the chain 4 space. So one single crochet, and that completes one petal. Now into the next we will repeat the same, one single crochet, then 8 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 double crochet and one more single crochet. That completes the second petal. Just so the petals are separated and distinct, I'll just push the whole cluster into the chain 4 so that they don't overlap. And now I'm ready to begin my next petal. So we will do this repeat. 1 single crochet, 8 double crochet, then 1 single crochet, and the same goes for the next petal, and so on till the row is completed. So do this and I will meet you at the end of the row. I am at the end of the round and this is how it looks. It is curling up. Now I'm left with the last 2 stitches, so I will put my last double crochet and 1 single crochet. Now that completes the last petal, and here we are going to put 1 single crochet into the next chain available. 1 single crochet, and now we can cut off the yarn. Leave a long tail to sew in. So now that's done. And now comes the fun part where we will turn this long strip into a flower. Okay, so we will start with the first petal, and the petal is facing towards you and the base is facing outwards from you. Now we will turn this petal and fold it into half. Make sure that the tail is pointing downwards. Then we bring the second petal, hold it with our fingers, and we will wrap around this in anti-clockwise direction. We don't want to wrap it too tight or too loose, so just keep wrapping like this. The longer your chains are, the bigger the flower will become. So depending on how big you want to make it, you can make your chains. And there it is, just like that. So we will need to attach this and fasten it with the body so that it doesn't fall off. Here I have threaded in the yarn into the needle, and now I'm ready to sew and attach it to the body. But right before that, you might want to cross check it and see if your flower is according to what you need. If it's too loose or too tight, rearrange it, and once you are happy with how it is, we can then finally attach it to the body. So for this, right from where our project ended, I'm gonna insert the needle and pass through all the petals, come out in the front, and then take a small stitch, pass through all the other petals again, and come out to the base or the back. So that secures the first petal. Now we will secure the rest of the other base chain. So we will pass through it and come out through all the other petals like before. Take a small stitch, go back in and take a stitch from the base and just pull the yarn through. Now we will also take the base chain from the inner circles. So we will take this base and that base, pass the needle through, take a small stitch, pass it back, going through one of the base chain, and we will secure it that way. Do this all around. Now once this is done, you can see that the petals are quite secure and it won't fall off. Now the working yarn is out in front, and I'll change the needle into a smaller one so we can put the beads in. Now I'll just pass the bead into the needle and bring it into the center. Then I'm gonna secure it by passing it through the center and out into the base. Now once this is done, I will secure it by tying the two ends together. Now once this is done, I will secure it once again by knotting it off. You can knot off as many times as you want. I'll just knot it off twice. Pass it through. Bring the yarn out, the needle into the loop, and just pull. And that's it. And now you can leave it like that, or you can hide the tail. You can pass the yarn through the whole base and hide the tail. So if you want to make it more secure, you can pass it back once again. And that is it. You can cut off the yarn here. And that's how we make this beautiful flower by simple technique of crochet, and I really love it. Also, they are great for accessories like hairbands, socks, or bags. You can use the yarn or the tail that's left to attach it with the project, or you can just glue it to the projects and they will look perfect. And that's it, guys. Let me know in the comment section what kind of project would you use this flower for. I hope you liked this video, and if you do, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching. Bye for now.